We've just read our little passage, The Birds. That was a very interesting passage. Our passage, though, contains some words with prefixes. Our first word with a prefix is uncommon. Un means not. Let's remember for a minute what a prefix is. A prefix is a little group of letters that come before a word, and it changes the word's meaning. Now, we know if something is common, we see it all the time. If it's uncommon, it's something that you don't see all the time. But our sentence said it is not uncommon. So therefore, it is common. So it could have said it is common to see birds with pretty feathers. So un changed the meaning of the word common from something that you see a lot to something that you don't see very often. Our second prefix was, let me get to it. In this paragraph, it was this paragraph, unwanted. The camouflage helps the potu avoid unwanted attention. Unwanted. So we know that want is something we desire, and we know that un means not. So unwanted is something we do not desire. This camouflage helps the potu avoid unwanted attention. So it doesn't want the attention. Because if it gets the attention, it might fall victim to a predator. We do not want that for that little birdie. All right, our third word with a prefix is right here. This can be unsafe. Ooh. We know what it means to be safe. We know that when you're safe, you're free from harm. So when you're unsafe, you're not safe. This bird builds its nest on the ground. This can be unsafe. When a predator is too close to the nest. What does that mean? That means if there's a predator close to its nest, it's possible that it could get hurt. So unsafe is the prefix there. Now, boys and girls, that we've read the article and we've talked about the prefixes, you're going to go on and answer the questions. You'll have to go on to the next question on this assignment. How does the potu's coloring help it survive? Is your first question. Don't forget to put the question in the answer. So you could say, the potu's coloring helps it survive by. The next one says, what text feature does the author use to organize information in the birds? How is the information in this section related? One of the things I want you to remember, is these headings are text features. So be thinking about the headings when you answer that question. What was the author's main purpose for writing the birds? Now that question, I want you to think about the reasons why authors write things. They write things to entertain people, they write things to persuade people, and they write things to inform people. So why did the author write this passage, The Birds? I really enjoyed this passage. All right, go on to your next question and answer the prompts on our article.